What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencian. Welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love siya mga ka-RCFC. Ito na ang inyong request dahil ang ating bunso, Ruel Carino, is now singing for a teleserye theme song. Ito nga ang My Best Friend Eman na soundtrack which is Jesus ng Aking Buhay. Yes, ito nga ay together with Carmela Lorzano. So I'm so excited to check this out. But before I proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh my God, so proud of Ruel. Is now singing a teleserye theme song. Who's Carmela, guys? Nasa Itbulaga din ba siya? Wow, nakaka-proud naman ng bunso.
Sikat ng umaga,
Love the low tone.
buhos ng ulan, simoy ng dapit hapon,
Such an orgasm.
sinag ng buwan.
Shaina and JM pala ang lead nitong teleserye. Wow, angelic vocal. Love that. Thin notes.
Saan man ako,
Oh my God, goosebumps.
ika'y naroon.
Love the combination of vocals.
Sa'yo, dakilang pag-ibig mo sa'kin.
Love Carmela's thin notes.
Ako'y iyong ginigiliw at siyang itatapat sa puso.
Oh my God. In fairness, guys, I love the combination of vocals of Carmela and Ruel. It fits for the song and it gives the emotion. Grabe yung feels ng kanta. Very serene and solemn yung dating. And this is like, yung parang may bukas pa kind of teleserye na related to Catholic or Jesus. So, for sure, it has a good, yung magandang aral, di ba, na mapupulot sa teleseryeng ito. And of course, it's led by Shaina and JM De Guzman. Of course, caliber actress and actor, guys. Ganda ng boses ni Carmela, in fairness. The way counterparts. Oh, maganda rin yung teleserye. Ganda ng vibrato ni Ruel. Love it.
Panginoon kong Jesus ng aking buhay. Saan man ako,
Love it for the escalation.
ika'y naroon. Tumalikod man sa'yo.
Love the,
Dakilang pag-ibig mo
wow!
sa'kin.
Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. Oh my God. I am feeling it so much. Grabe yung feels ng kanta. And yung pag-vocal escalation ni Carmela and Ruel really fits together. It gives more emotion to the song. Let's go back to that part, guys.
Tumalikod man
I love that vocal flair. You know, nararamdaman nyo ba yun, guys? Grabe yung feels ng kanta. Let's go back to that. Diba? Iba yung feels. My God, Shaina. Look at her acting, guys. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna watch this teleserye. Wow. The vocal flair.
At siyang itatapat sa puso.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Of course, JMT was din too, guys. Oh my God, so proud of you, Bunso. I love it. Oh my God. There you have it, guys. That is Jesus ng Aking Buhay by Carmela Lorzano and Ruel Carino for the teleserye theme song of My Best Friend Eman sa TV5. Oh my God, nakaka-excite naman and nakaka-proud to see Ruel having a teleserye theme song, no? Grabe. Ibang level na talaga ang ating Bunso. And the way that Carmela and Ruel is singing it, you can feel yung emotion, yung heartfelt, no? Very genuine kind of vocal. And of course, nakita nyo naman, led by Shaina Magdayaw and JM De Guzman ang teleserye na to. Parang interesting to watch itong teleserye na to. And I think I'm gonna watch it, guys, kasi I love this kind of teleserye na very meaningful and also yung related sa Christian world natin, no? Kung paano tayo magkaroon ng aral, of course, and how to be kind and good. So, tingnan natin if TV5 can execute this kind of teleserye. And of course, going back to Carmela and Ruel, it was an amazing collaboration. At nakaka-proud talaga ang ating Bunso. What can you say about that performance or that song, guys, for Ruel? You can comment down below and let's discuss in the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.